Advice for someone wanting to get into aluminum, magnesium, titanium, etc. My advice, if you want to weld exotic alloy metals, the biggest challenge that you're going to be facing is material prep and cleanliness. That's what I think is the biggest key component to getting into those reactive metals, is making sure you know exactly what you're doing as far as preparation and keeping things clean. What is preparation and keeping things clean? That is eliminating oils from the surface of the material, oils from within the material, and making sure there's no surface oxide barrier on those materials. The surface oxide barrier is a layer on the surface of metal where the oxide has formed and created a crust, essentially. And that is a hard barrier to break through, and it takes about twice the amount of energy that it does to weld the underlying base metal. So making sure your oxide's removed and everything is clean and properly fit up. If you have a gap, that causes an inconsistency and an irregularity and an uncontrolled variable. So you want to put everything into your control as the operator welder and make sure you have complete control of the entire operation.